Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we are going to learn how to integrate Stripe and Trello. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new customer is created in Stripe, it will automatically create a card in Trello. Now Stripe is an online payment processing platform and Trello is a list building application. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Stripe to Trello. But there is one minor problem. Stripe and Trello are two different applications. Hence, there is no data flow between them. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe and Trello. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done in 2 easy steps. Let me show you on my screen.
So first of all, type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website. Here you will find the option called as product. Hover on products and you will find the option called as connect. Okay, at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click this and then go to sign in. Click this. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now scroll down and in the connect part, just click on access now. Now here at the right corner, you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. So a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Stripe to Trello. Stripe to Trello. Then click on create. When you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Stripe. This one. In the choose method, since we are interested in creating a customer, let's keep it as new customer. Now new customer is basically a trigger. Now your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new customer is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like new invoice, new order, new refund, cancelled subscription. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. Okay, but at present, I am interested in keeping it as new customer. So what we're trying to do is, we are trying to connect Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you my Stripe account. So this is my Stripe account, and to begin the integration of Stripe to Pabbly Connect, let's go to this place called as developers. Click this. Here you will find an option called as webhooks. Click this. Now at the right corner, you will find an option called as add endpoint. Click this. Okay, so this is the window of add endpoint. So to get an endpoint URL, you just have to go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the endpoint URL or called as the webhook URL you want, and paste it here. First you have to remove this HTTPS and paste it. Okay, so description, let's keep it as empty. The version will remain same, and comes the most important part, events to send. So we want to send the data when a new customer is created. So let us select the event as new customer created. So where is our customer, creation, yes, customer created. Then click on add endpoint. Okay, so the status is showing that it has been enabled. So basically now we have connected Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect, since it is connected to Stripe, can receive any data from Stripe. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing that it is waiting for a data. So let's create a customer in Stripe. So this is the customer page. Here I'm going to click on new. So the name, let's say, is Luke. The account email is lukered123@gmail.com. Just something random. Description is let's write random. That's all. The country, the email, the billing details. Country is France, same as billing details. Time zone. Let's keep the language as Swiss francs. No, French. Okay, French is there. Currency is Swiss franc. Okay. Tax status is taxable. Tax ID, just keep it as empty. Then click on add customer. Okay, so it's showing that the customer has been created. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data of this person called as Luke. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. So let's see the data. So the email is lukered123@gmail.com. The name is Luke, and this is the phone number and the rest of the details. Okay, so the data has been successfully captured by Pabbly Connect from Stripe. Now we have to sync this data to Trello. To do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, let's make it as Trello. In the Choose method, since we are interested in adding a new card, let's keep it as Add New Card. Now obviously there are many more action types like create a board, create a list on a board, get card details, and so on. But similarly, like triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can make a request at admin@pabbly.com to build a custom action for you. Okay, but at present I'm only interested in adding a new card. Okay, so then click on connect with Trello and select your credentials. Let's make it as new credentials. Now in the parameters we have 3 blanks to fill: the username, API key, and the token. So we will start with filling the API key. To get the API key, just click on this button called as here. Okay, you will find this button here. Click this. So this is the API key. Copy this and paste it here. So what is happening here is when you click on here, it will redirect you to this page called as Trello and API key. Okay, so to get the token, just click on this button called as token. So here you will find the username. Copy this. This is the username you want. Copy this and paste it here. Now comes the token. To get the token, just click on allow. So this is the token you want. Copy this and paste it here. Easy. Then click on save. Okay, so essentially now we have connected Pabbly Connect to Trello. Before we begin the mapping process, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. Okay, so let's scroll down and let's see. In the choose board, it is showing data from Google Sheet. So the reason it is showing data from Google Sheet is because, let me show you my Trello account. This is my Trello account. I have a board called as data from Google Sheet, and there are many other boards like WooCommerce, Stripe board, Google Sheet, DYU, and so on. I want to send it to the Stripe board, so let's change it to the Stripe board. Okay, so in select list, it is showing 2 lists, red list 1 and blue list 1. That is because, let me show you my Stripe board. So I have 2 lists in Stripe board, red list 1 and blue list 1. So I want to enter the data in blue list 1. So let's keep it as blue list 1. Name of the card. So these 3 horizontal line is called as the mapping button. We are going to map in the data. So click this. So the data should be, the name of the card should be the name of the person. So that should be Luke. The description of the card, we can enter any kind of description, but at present I am interested in entering the email. So email is, where was our email? Email, yes, this is our email. Then click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to Trello. So let's see in our Trello whether we have a person called as Luke. Yes, in the blue list of the Stripe board, we have a person called as Luke. So the presence of this card shows that we have connected Stripe and Trello with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a customer is created in Stripe, it will create a card in Trello. But to double check it if the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy customer in Stripe. But before that, let me show you the whole process in a nutshell. Let's minimize this and let's minimize this. Okay, so this is the whole mechanism in a nutshell. First, you integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Trello. Now there is a perfect flow of data between Stripe and Trello. So let us go back to our customers in Stripe. Let's make one more new customer. So this time I'm going with, let's say, Abraham. That would work. Abraham. And Lincoln123@gmail.com. Okay. Description is something random. Okay. Choose your country. I'm keeping it as France. Not really important. Time zone, not really important. Language, let's make it as French again. Currency, let's make it as Swiss franc. Tax status is taxable, and the tax ID, let's keep it as blank. Then click on add customer. Okay, so a customer called as Abraham has been created. So let's see whether we have a card called as Abraham in our Trello account. So Trello, yes, we have a card called as Abraham. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a customer is created in Stripe, it will be reflected in Trello.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate a plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.